Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So, as after my spiritual awakening, my powers were returned back to me, and because of that, hidden truths were coming on surface. So, what has happened? As I met this twin flame in aviation industry, and there were several, common friends. So, there was one of the best friend, masculine. Who I became, best friend in 2011 itself. So, and then in 2017, I shifted in his area. There I met his parents. So this friend was actually working abroad. He was not working in India, and so he used to visit India at least once in a 6 months, and then we were already connected. So after my spiritual awakening, what has happened? So whenever before even awakening, whenever I used to talk or discuss anything about this twin flame, as he also knew him, so he always used to say no, he doesn't talk to him because he's egoistic person, not a good person, not a person to be trusted. So he doesn't like him and he doesn't talk to him. So okay, I believed on that. But then after spiritual awakening, as I could see the truth, and there I found this person is intentionally giving all of my information to this person, to this twin flame, and telling me that he doesn't even talk to him. Wherein these people were connected on social media with each other, but then this person was kept on telling no, he doesn't talk to him. So when I became immediate neighbor of this twin flame, that thing I actually told to this friend after some time, and then whatsoever I was noticing here at this twin flames, a family or anything else. So I used to discuss with this best friend. So whatever I have said to him, about this twin flame, next day I could see the reaction of that particular thing, from this twin flame. There I realized, that this person has been kept on passing each and every information from me. I mean about me, and this twin flame has been asking for it. So now what I did, since 2020, after my awakening, I kept, whenever I used to talk to this person, I did not tell him that I'm aware that he's talking to this twin flame and giving my information intentionally. So I kept on talking to this person, and every time I used to talk to him, I used to remind him, please do not give any of my information to this twin flame. So he always used to say, no, don't expect that, I'm your best friend, I don't even talk to him, how could you even imagine that I will give any of your information to him? So every time he used to repeat this statement. So I did this intentionally. Whenever I used to talk to him once in a month, I started repeating the same thing, and he kept on repeating the same thing. So I just wanted to see, will he ever confess that he's lying to me? So that was not going to happen, I knew that. So because of that thing, I did one thing. So I did not tell him for an year time. In 2020, I got to know that this best friend is giving each and every information of mine to this twin flame, and whatsoever I talk about twin flame, he go ahead and tell this person. So he came to India in 2021. So what has happened that so he used to visit at least once in a 6 months, but because of COVID, he came in February 2021. So now. Before going to his place, as he purchased a new property, so he invited me, as his family knew, so I had to go. So now I went there, and I gave him some sort of hint that I'm going to end the friendship with all these people, and somehow he got to know he was also part of that thing. So he started asking again and again, why do you think like that, what has happened, why are you thinking like this and that? So I said just like that, and then so I was waiting for one thing, as he has been kept on lying to me about this person. So I got some sort of evidences in the form of chat, and when I went at his place, I stayed there for a day, and I had to stay there night time also because of his parents. So next morning or evening, when I was coming, so he came and to drop me inside the cab. So there I showed him those chats, and I told him that this is the end of the friendship, and no more calling or texting me. So when I gave him evidences, he didn't had anything to tell me. But then what he said, like, if you behave like this, if you disconnect from me, you will always stay alone. So I said, if I am thirsty, that doesn't mean that I will have to drink poison. Water is available on earth. So then I left, and then he called me when I reached home. Then he started saying something other things, so that he because he did not want me to break the friendship, because I have been important part of his family, because his parents knew and other relatives knew me. So I told him, like, rudely that this was an end, from my side, and you should not call me again. So he knew that, I do not talk to everybody, and I am a rudest person, and he cannot mess up with me. So there he understood, and because people have always been, scared of me, and I was the one who used to pick up on people, who I want to talk, and then only allow. So these people were aware they did not deserve my presence or a friendship, but then it was me who picked up on these people. So then he disconnected, but then after few days he asked his mother to call me. So, his mother called me and started acting, oh, it's been so many days, you did not call us back, and other things. So I said, didn't your son, told you that I've ended the friendship? She said, no, I'm not aware. So I said, no, it's okay. I have ended the friendship, and no more talking to him and to you. So she said, you should not do that, because, we love you so much and you are like a family member. She started doing so many dramas. And then what has happened? So this, entire family was of, narcissistic family. So the father of this friend was actually backstabbing his own best friend, who was his school best friend. I stayed in their area, so I knew in and out thing. So his entire family was, including this best friend, was, jealous of others, success and other things. So I knew that, but it was time for me to end this friendship. So I told her, friendship has been ended, and I would not be talking to you or any of your family member. Also, the reptilian girl, who is his girlfriend, she'll be marrying to him, and that is actually a karma. So he actually deserves that. So before going on this, journey, that I had this question: do right people get married to wrong people? So now, what I have seen in my life, people who are, the way they are, actually, they get to marry the same kind of people. Especially, as I had this question, how come, this best friend is actually good, and he's into relationship with this, a girl who has cheated him of, multiple times, and again into black magic and several sort of, dirty person. So there I realized this entire family is the shittiest person, and this female will be becoming their karma. So there I got the clarity. So there were a lot of, common friends, and there was one person who was not from aviation industry but was from hotel industry. So I met that person through a common friend, and his family again knew me because they were either a close friend or close, neighbors sort of thing. So I met this person in 2015. Since then, he was added on my social media, on my Facebook account. So what this twin flame did, he himself contacted this person, by giving some sort of excuse for hotel booking or for, sort of help kind of thing. And then he started taking my information from this friend. So this person used to call and text me, and I did not realize. Of course, before awakening, it was not possible because powers were not there. So that time I did not realize. So one day what has happened, in 2015, when I got so busy, I didn't have time even on weekends. So this person, visited my house. What sort of work are you doing? You're so busy. You were not busy like this. So there, okay. But then in 2020 February, as lockdown happened in the month of March. So in 2020 on 14th of Feb. So I shifted at Twin Flames area in 2019, and it was 14th of February. So there I actually pretended intentionally to this twin flame that I am in a relationship, because he has always been wanting me to stay single and to stay stuck on him. So intentionally I went out of my house and did not come at least for a day or two. I stayed at somebody's place, whether it was my family or I don't even remember. So, but yes, intentionally I pretended that I am going on a date with somebody. So then next day, I think I received a call from this hotelier friend, where did you go on date, or where were you on 14th Feb? So I told him the truth. I did not realize, that why is this person asking, though it was all of a sudden, because I knew this hotelier friend since 2015. So he called me in 2020, I guess, yes. And powers were returned after 2020, after March 2020. So now what happened in 2021, this person again called me. So this another friend who was staying abroad, he purchased a property in India. So there was a celebration. I was invited. So either it was 13th of Feb or 14th of Feb. And there I go. And I knew that I had to pretend this time also, wherein this twin flame was going on date with his, girlfriend, but pretending to be, he's busy at, some particular thing. So, but there were people who were spying on me all the time, especially his brother and brother's friend. So I was not at home. I went intentionally and stayed at, that friend's house, and came on 14th evening. Again, this, hotelier friend called me. Where did you go? Where were you? So then I told him the truth, but then I realized this person has been giving my information intentionally. Okay, as powers were returned, I was guided. This person is also part of that group. So what I did not say anything to this friend that I'm aware what you are doing. So as this friend, twin flame had nothing to do with this friend, but then people who were connected to me on social media, be it from aviation industry or from anybody, normal contact, this twin flame has contacted themselves, by giving some sort of excuses and then kept on taking my information. Since then, I actually became alert that this person is connected to almost everybody, people who are there in my social media. And now I should not get angry, though it was making me, I was coming into a lot of anger. How come these people can do this? Somebody who is a shittiest person, because they themselves have been telling me that he's a playboy, he does this shit and that shit, and now you are giving my information to him. But now I calmed down myself, because I knew when I went on that journey, that 10 years of journey, I was assigned with all sort of haters, jealous people, and they all have been competing with me so there I realized everybody is competing with me, wherein I'm not competing with anybody, but they are haters, jealous people, and they do not want me to be happy in any area of my life. Then I decided one thing: I'll remove those people. First I'll have to recognize, then I'll remove, and I will not be giving such evidences to anybody else now. So I stayed there, for 2.5 years, I guess, in Twin Flames, area. So I shifted my house in 2022 end. That I did all of a sudden. So I maintained one thing, that this Twin Flame should not, know that I'm leaving this area. Otherwise, he will start sending people where I'm going, what am I doing. So he'll put a spy on me, wherein he was already spying on me through several ways. So I actually shifted all of a sudden, and he did not get to know. So when he saw next day that I was not there, the house was vacated, then he asked this friend to call me again, this hotelier friend. He said, where have you shifted? See, now these stupid people, I did not tell you that I have shifted my house. How come do you know that? So I told him something else, that I have shifted the city. I'm not in this city. So that's what information this twin flame wanted. And next day, so I told some other city where I was not living. And next day, this twin flame did a post on social media. He's talking about this particular city, and as if he's so concerned. So I realized this hotelier was giving each and every information of mine since very long time. Now I ended this friendship in 2023 with this friend. I told him that I am ending this friendship. So he was like, how could you do that? You were so unpredictable. He said this thing when I shifted the house, all of a sudden you do this and that thing. So these wordings were of this twin flame, that unpredictable. So when I ended this friendship, so I said, do you remember how this friendship started? It was me who picked up on people. Otherwise, everybody know that you can't talk to me. So there I ended the friendship. There was another girl who were common friend. So she used to tell me this about this twin flame. He's a shittiest guy. He's a playboy. He does this and that, changes females, he changes his clothes. And still she's having dinner and party with this friend. So, with this twin flame. So now I thought, how come, if you know that he's such a shittiest guy, how come you are in contact with him? How come you are talking to him? So you are also shittiest person. There I realized she had a lot of jealousy, but somehow she was able to hide it. But because of this powers, it was supposed to be revealed at the right time. So I disconnected from this girl as well. So when I shifted in his area, he did not tell the owner or his son that he know me or I know him. But then I knew that the moment my powers were returned, when I realized he's connected to everybody on my social media and taking my information intentionally. So this person, the owner's son, was the last option, and that's what he did when I started closing all the contacts. And then in 2023, what has happened? So I actually filed for a PR, wherein I signed a contract in 2019. So that was I kept it on my table itself, because I had to check out some of the documents. And then that this contract was stolen by this owner's son. And then he started showing that he's also applying for Canada, and then he started taking information through this owner's a son. But he did not tell me that he knows me, but somehow it cooked a story to him that he doesn't want me to ask for help, that he also wants to apply for Canada and all, something like that. So I'll share that thing in later other video. So this contract actually had a signature and the contact number of that person, of that agent, who actually did signing of my contract for Canada PR. So as this contract was stolen, this person was not on my social media. I wasn't connected to her. But then all of a sudden, when I started, or almost I closed every contact from where he was taking my information, then this female called me, this agent. started asking for my personal detail, where I'm staying, what am I doing, what are my next plans, you know. So and this girl already left the job, so she didn't had anything to do with my thing, but just, you know, she started pretending, just wanted to check and all. So there I realized this person has actually, you know, contacted this person because her number was there. Okay, then I closed that thing also, but I did a mistake. I had a plan not to go to Canada now, then because I changed my mind. So I did a mistake that, you know, I disconnected from this female, but I updated my contact number to that, you know, agency who were doing this PR filing. So this female actually took my number from one of the staff who were already in her contact and then gave it to this twin flame. So every time I used to change my number, this twin flame was able to take it from somewhere. I did not know, but then there I realized there were still people who, you know, were giving my information to this person, and every time I was changing my number, he was able to take it. So I used to change my number every year because of my relatives, because they kept on calling for and asking for, you know, money help and then job. So every year I used to change my number once or twice because of these, you know, relatives issue. So once I remember, I was in office itself, you know, with this twin flame. So there he was asking something, and I saw that he updated my number, you know, like my name and then 12345. I said, why haven't you deleted my number? I have asked you to delete those old numbers, which is not even working, and I've given you my new number, so why haven't you deleted that? So I was actually angry and commanded, like, you know, why didn't you delete that? So he was standing and he didn't had any reply. So because I was a bit rude, because I've told you to delete those numbers, why haven't you deleted that? And you have my new number. So he took a moment and then said, like, you know, I have not deleted, just like that. So as I was, you know, already going through a lot, and his spells did not stop. Back to back, he kept on hiring the practitioners. Because of my energies were, you know, getting disturbed. Also, my health was affected because of those, you know, magic and spells. Because dark spells always, you know, affect your energies, and any sort of spell you do, you are trying to tap in the energy of somebody else. And I am a sensitive being. I pick up on everything. So it was already, you know, bothering me a lot. And every time I was changing my number, he was able to take it from somebody. So when I joined this aviation industry, there were, you know, some masculines and feminines who were senior in designation. So we were connected on social media, but then we were not connected on phone. So after, you know, my awakening, or I think in 2023, when I closed every contact where he was taking my information, then he was also in connected with those people, you know, who were seniors. So they were part of my social media, so he knew who I am, you know, connected with. They connected and asked my number, I gave them, and then they shared my number with this twin flame. So he was not leaving even a single point of contact which was there on social media. He himself was, you know, connecting and asking for my detail, and people were giving. That was so surprising. So there I realized, you know, these are shittiest people. I should not be angry, but then they should not be spared. So karma has to be there. Punishment should be there. So I did something that they should be punished, because they are helping a wrong, shittiest person out of jealousy. I joined a spiritual group. I would not be taking the name of the group. So there was a female who was connected from that, you know, spiritual place on Instagram. So this twin flame contacted to her also, and then she started asking for my personal information. And she thought, you know, as she's from a spiritual place, so I will invite her at my place. So she kept on asking for that, but I do not let anyone, you know, come at my place because of spiritual reasons. And then people are always obsessed with the energies. Then once if I invite them, they will try to come again and again. So that was another reason. So there I realized, you know, intentionally she was asking for the information what twin flame was looking for. So she had my number, then again I had to change my number. So after, you know, because of these things, I had to frequently change my number, because I was trying to stop all sort of ways where he was getting my energies. So remember, a twin flame who is pretending, no, you know, she is not interested in you and do not want to talk to you, but at the same time they are actually obsessed. They are 24/7 thinking about you, taking your information, but at the same time pretending, no, they are not interested. So now, as after my awakening, when he started calling himself God, since then I took a decision, I will have to remove him from my thoughts. So that was another reason that I was, you know, closing all the doors from where he was getting energy, which was becoming so difficult for him, because energy is everything. Twin flame is already obsessed with your energy, and easily they have access to your energy. So even though when they are checking your WhatsApp status or checking your social media profile and anything, or they are talking to you, even checking your text, anything else, so they are always in receiving mode. They are able to take your energies. So I was concerned, no, I have to stop. But at the same time, as he was kept on hiring these practitioners who were tapping into my energy, so that was also reason that that this person was getting my energies. So till 2023, it was so difficult for me. I was not able to remove him from my thoughts. I was not able to remove his feelings. But yes, I was successful in doing all other type of inner work, like ancestral healing, that curse removal. And then I had so many blockages. If I talk about energy blockages, but that I was able to remove easily. But then when it comes about removing, detaching with this person, it was impossible. But then as I knew that things which are not possible through spiritual powers is actually possible through spiritual wisdom. So there were total 15 plus contacts who were from aviation, who were common people, and there were non-common people. So this person kept on asking people about my information. So there I also realized he had several fake accounts through which he was texting me. So when I was, after my awakening, when I was living in his area, what he did, he texted me from a fake account that I want to be your lover and your best friend. So as I recognize energy, so I knew that it is this person, this twin flame. So what I did, I only sent a smile. I did not say anything. So he got scared because he knew me, what kind of person I am. People can't even talk to me, so you cannot write anything to me. If it was somebody else, I could have told them something shittiest thing which they will not return back. Then he got scared and then he deleted that account. But then I realized he was following all of my social media accounts through multiple fake accounts, because as he knew that I was about to remove him from my social media accounts. So since beginning, as he was pretending I am following him, he's not following me, but then at the same time he was following me on every social media platform through multiple social fake accounts. So first I deleted my Instagram, as everybody was competing with me, entire that aviation group and other people, because they have been obsessed with my success and with the beauty. Then this person was getting my energies and also keep on contacting one after another, whosoever was my contact on social media. So I deleted that. Now he was not able to get those contacts. So there I also realized, as I had to be on LinkedIn. If you have heard about LinkedIn, a professional network, so it was must for me. I could not delete it, but then I took a decision. So there what I found, he created an account by some foreigner ID, so that I would never recognize. But then it was my power who kept on telling me where he's coming from. So that there he was there, and then I deleted my this LinkedIn account, which was a professional account. One after another I started deleting all of my social media accounts. So deletion of these social media accounts were helping me a lot, because these people were able to tap into my energy, kept on stalking on social media, what's going on, what sort of things I'm posting, so that they can copy, and every time checking out, so they are getting energies. So that was one thing that I was able to stop giving him energies through this social media account. So I deleted my Facebook Messenger at the last. So what has happened, when I was, I think, about to delete, so he asked one of our, female senior manager contact me and say hi to me, so that I start talking to her and start giving her information. So she was a senior person, but then I knew she was one of that person who helped him hiding his first, relationship when I was in that department. So I knew what kind of, people these were. But then as I was talking to her politely, so when she texted me, said hi, so she was expecting I will talk to her, then she will ask for my number. So I said, I do not even recognize you. So that was the best option, do not even talk to them. I said, I don't even remember. So there I closed even my Facebook Messenger, and I deleted all of my social media accounts. Now I had to see how come he is getting my number. Now he also contacted people from my current company where I was working, made a contact, asked for my number. So every time I was changing my number, he was able to take it. Also, when I was already staying there, immediately after my spiritual awakening, so as I was not giving him attention, so what he did, he asked one of his brother's friend to text me on WhatsApp, and he started saying, you are so beautiful, I have seen your pictures, and I give you offer for marriage. So I started saying wrong things to him. How come you dare to talk to me like this? I was about to abuse him, but there I was having divine guidance. This person is sent through this twin flame. Then I stepped back, and then I stopped texting to that person and closed that chat. chat. So there, it was the evening time when I started walking. These two people started looking to me, towards me like a shock, that he and his brother. So he has been doing this since very long time, just to check that I should not be in relationship. So what this twin flame wanted, he would stay in a multiple relationship, will get married, but I should not even come in a relationship. I should not be married. That's what he kept on checking by asking people to check on me, saying these things so that I will tell them the truth. Now I was aware about the game. So because of these things, the way he was spying on me when I was staying in his area, his brother's friend always used to follow me wherever I was going. Even going, within the area to buy something, he was always following me. He asked the security guards to, keep my information if somebody else is coming to meet me, or if he see somebody else where I'm going. So he was spying on me through every possible way, be it through social media, be it through other people, and then common friends, and taking my information. So remember, a twin flame is always obsessed with you and your energy. That person can never, take your name out of their mind. So twin flames was, initial two main concerns were that I should not grow in my career. So he was trying to, stop me and distract me from growing into my career. Also, he was maintaining that, why was he playing that game, that he's single and he wants to, he thinks about me while being in a relationship, which he was trying to hide, so that I stay single forever, and kept on, thinking about him, and should be stuck on him. That shittiest person he is. And I knew about this thing after my awakening. So till from 2020 till 2023, I tried a lot of things, almost every possible thing, but I was not able to remove this person from my mind, from thoughts and these feelings. There were several reasons, as this person has been so extremely obsessed with me. I have never been obsessed with him. Yes, it was a thing that he has always been into my mind, but that doesn't mean that I was following him everywhere and taking his information. Never. And so there I realized the way he's obsessed with me, he's not ready to disconnect from my energies. That was the reason it actually became toughest thing for me. But then as I knew, things are possible through spiritual wisdom. So in 2023, something happened, something amazing happened, then that I will share in upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.